I love this place.
It's Alirien, and today we are heading to, as it scrolls off of the screen behind me, Animal Kingdom today. And we have dinner at the Hoop-Dee-Doo Review right here at Fort Wilderness this evening at 8:30. So we've just about finished getting ready and are going to head to the bus stop because we don't want to pay for parking on a third day in a row. Because it's a little much that they ask for so much just to park the car up the park for dinner. Especially after yesterday where the guy did not hear me ask for preferred parking. Honestly, we were still pretty close, but like we could have been closer is all it was. I was willing to take the extra $15 hit, but it's fun. So yeah, we're gonna head to the bus stop in a few minutes, figure out our route to Animal Kingdom, and I'm gonna try to time the bus ride over to Animal Kingdom so that we can account for the proper amount of time to get back for dinner. We are, like I said, just about ready, so we're gonna pack up and head on in just a minute.
Story to this theater ever since the park's been open, dating all the way back to 1998. 2, 1, whoa! Yeah! Amazing! Round of applause for our Rocketeer. Particularly nice job. We're gonna meet them I know, he sounds like a bunch of people going, whoa! Cool thing is, smell jobs is essential. This is like when the nature is so low, so fast, you can't have pesticide called EDT.
So we just went and saw the Feathered Friends in Flight show, which was beautiful. So many incredible birds, and Chris knew nothing about it, so I knew he would enjoy it, and he very much did. It was beautiful. So it's Zootopia Bug has a 30-minute wait, so I think we're gonna run there. I had a beanie on earlier, and unfortunately it's way too warm and humid, so I had to clip my hair up, but that's okay. We're gonna go do It's Tough to Be a Bug and figure something out from there, but he's getting a fresh beer before we head over, so.
They're definitely not river cats.
And the one sleeping by himself over here.
He's like, fuck off, I'm tired.
walked around and shopped for a bit, got some various snacks along the way. We did Expedition Everest, which was both of our first times riding, and that was really fun. Oh, we also went to Dinosaur. We went to Dinosaur first and then Expedition Everest. Took a break, again, kept walking around and shopping. We just got off Kilimanjaro Safari. We waited through most of the day before we got on that one, so hopefully the animals would be a bit more active again in the evening as it started cooling down, which they were. And now we are in line for Navi River Journey because neither of us has done it, and since we probably have to pick between this one and Flight of Passage, we'd rather do this one. So yeah, the wait time is estimated about 65 minutes. Hopefully it will be less, you know, if parties will pay attention and move forward.
Hey, Casey, fire up that arm! Yeah! Musicians, if you please!
Johnny Ringo! Hey, Johnny. Yes, I've got Chris here. Chris is from Louisiana, and Chris turned the big 3-0!
Thank you. Gotcha. So once again, I think somehow I went to bed without filming an outro, so I'll do it now and then go right into filming today's vlog. So the Hoop-Dee-Doo review was so much fun. Chris really enjoyed it. The food was fantastic. The performances were amazing, and I'm low-key debating recreating Claire's dress because it's so pretty. We had a little snafu with the buses trying to get back to the cabin last night, in that the bus driver that initially took us assumed everybody was going to the parking lot, went straight to the outpost at the parking lot, and then told everybody to get off because this was the last and final stop, and then she was going home. So we had to wait for another bus driver and explain to him what happened, and he said that they should have made sure when we got on the bus where everybody was going. She didn't. She stopped at one cabin stop, which was not ours, and then went straight to the parking lot when nobody got off at that first one, and we were beyond upset about it. And the other bus driver was very apologetic, and like, it's not his fault that it happened. I wish I had caught like the number of the bus or her name or something, because like, if I get a chance to leave a review and feedback about everything from our trip, I would like to include that so that they can make sure that all of their transportation employees understand that like, you can't just make assumptions like that, regardless of how far into your shift it is, regardless of the time. Like, you were the one who decided to pack literally everybody from that bus stop onto your bus, worse than sardines, and then drop all of them off assuming they were all going to the same place. That's on you if that doesn't work out. My hair does not want to quite stay the way that I have it, but anyway. But that was really the only issue we had. Everything else yesterday was amazing. We've got one more day to explore, and then we go home on Sunday. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, you know where all the buttons and the links are at this point, so I will not bore you further with those details. If you'd like to see more content like this, I have playlists of both this trip and all of my travel linked in the cards and the description below. And I want to give a huge thankful shout out to my coven of patrons who continue to be most pivotal in helping this content be bigger and better every time. If you would like to join their ranks, the link is in the link tree below, and pledges start at $1 a month. Thanks again. Stay tuned for our day at Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure, and I will see y'all again very soon. Keep it, my loves. Mwah.